How to make Gantt chart by using Canva. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva app. So let me start with the video. So here, come to the Canva home, and at home you can see this sheet option. Just open it. Okay, and you can see this sheet. Now here, come to the templates and search for Gantt chart project. Okay, so we have, so you'll see the all the templates of Gantt chart. Now you can select any you like. I just select this one, so I just put into my first sheet. So here you can see this timeline with horizontal line. So Gantt chart show the perfect timeline of your improvement or whatever you want to manage. So this is a Gantt chart, or this is Google sheet, or this is Canva sheet. Okay, and if you want to copy this Gantt chart to the any design, so you can do this. Come to the Canva, open your design. So I just take one presentation design here, and I have one page only. So I want to copy this Gantt chart. Come to the pages. Here you can see the all pages, and come to the grid view. Select your page which have the Gantt chart and copy it. Come to your design, select your first page and paste here, or hit the Ctrl plus V, or we can paste like this. Okay, so I have paste 2 times, so I just delete one. So in second page we have that Gantt chart, and here we can zoom in, zoom out, and you can add the more column here. We can also delete that column, and we can also add the more rows from here. Okay, you can add more data. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.